Welcome to FLEXFIT PRO. We're so glad you're here, ready to embark on a journey toward mind-body harmony through beginner yoga. Whether you're looking to relieve stress, improve flexibility, or simply find a moment of peace in your busy life, yoga offers a beautiful path to self-discovery and balance. Imagine stepping onto your mat for the first time. You might feel a mix of excitement and nervousness, and that's completely normal. Yoga is not about perfection, it's about progress and connection. Each pose is an opportunity to listen to your body, to understand its needs, and to cultivate a sense of inner calm. As you begin your practice, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. This simple act of breathing can ground you, bringing your awareness to the present moment. It's a powerful reminder that you are here, right now, and that's enough. Let's explore some foundational poses together. Start with mountain pose, standing tall with your feet firmly planted. Feel the strength in your legs and the openness in your chest. This pose symbolizes stability and confidence, setting a positive tone for your practice. As you transition into downward dog, allow your body to stretch and lengthen. This pose not only energizes you, but also encourages a sense of surrender. Embrace the feeling of letting go, both physically and mentally. Remember, yoga is a personal journey. It's perfectly okay to modify poses to suit your comfort level. Use props like blocks or straps if needed, and don't hesitate to take breaks. Listen to your body, it's your greatest teacher. Celebrate each small victory, whether it's holding a pose a little longer or simply feeling more at ease in your skin. As you continue your practice, you may notice shifts not just in your body, but in your mind as well. Many practitioners find that yoga helps reduce anxiety and fosters a greater sense of well-being. It encourages mindfulness, allowing you to approach life's challenges with a clearer perspective and a calmer heart. So, whether you're rolling out your mat in your living room or joining a class at your local studio, know that you're part of a supportive community. Each person on their mat is on their own unique journey, just like you. Embrace the process, and remember that every step you take is a step toward greater harmony within yourself. Thank you for joining us today at FLEXFIT PRO. We hope you feel inspired to explore the transformative power of yoga. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more tips and guidance on your wellness journey. Together, let's cultivate a life filled with balance, joy, and connection. Namaste.